Use these 5 things instead of sugar. Your health will remain fit along with the taste. Introduction. Sugar, particularly refined white sugar, is often seen as the ultimate sweetener for everything from desserts to beverages. While it provides a quick burst of energy and a pleasurable taste, it has long been linked to a variety of health issues, including obesity, diabetes, heart disease, and dental problems. As people become more health conscious, there is growing interest in finding alternatives to sugar that not only satisfy the sweet tooth but also contribute to overall wellness. This shift in dietary habits is driven by the desire to enjoy sweet flavors while minimizing the harmful effects of excessive sugar consumption. The good news is that there are several healthier alternatives to sugar that can be incorporated into your diet without compromising on taste. These alternatives, when used mindfully, offer various health benefits, ranging from improved metabolism to better blood sugar control. In this article, we'll explore 5 natural substitutes for sugar that will keep your health in check while still satisfying your cravings for sweetness. 1. Stevia, the natural sweetener. Stevia is an all-natural, plant-based sweetener derived from the leaves of the Stevia rebaudiana plant. It has been used for centuries in South America for its sweetening properties and is gaining popularity worldwide as a healthier alternative to sugar. Stevia is significantly sweeter than regular sugar, meaning only a small amount is needed to achieve the same level of sweetness. Health benefits. 1. 0 calories. Stevia contains no calories, making it an ideal choice for those watching their weight or trying to reduce their overall caloric intake. 2. Blood sugar control. Unlike sugar, stevia does not cause a spike in blood glucose levels, which is particularly beneficial for people with diabetes or those trying to manage their blood sugar levels. 3. Antioxidants. Stevia is rich in antioxidants, which can help protect the body against oxidative stress and inflammation, both of which are linked to chronic diseases like heart disease and cancer. 4. Dental health. Unlike sugar, stevia does not contribute to tooth decay, making it a better choice for maintaining good oral hygiene. Stevia is versatile and can be used in a variety of recipes, from smoothies and teas to baked goods. However, it's essential to choose high-quality, pure stevia products rather than processed stevia blends, which may contain added artificial sweeteners. 2. Honey, the sweetness of nature. Honey, a natural sweetener made by bees from flower nectar, has been used for centuries in both culinary and medicinal practices. It contains trace amounts of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that are not found in refined sugar. While honey is still a form of sugar and should be consumed in moderation, it offers several benefits over traditional sugar. Health benefits. 1. Rich in nutrients. Honey contains small amounts of vitamins such as vitamin C, as well as minerals like calcium, magnesium, and potassium. 1. It also contains antioxidants that help fight free radicals in the body. 2. Antibacterial and anti-inflammatory. Honey has natural antibacterial properties, which can help soothe a sore throat or aid in the healing of minor wounds and burns. 3. Improved digestion. Raw honey, in particular, is known to support healthy digestion. 3. It contains enzymes that can assist in the breakdown of food and promote gut health. 4. Lower glycemic index. Although honey is still a sugar, its glycemic index, GI, is lower than that of refined sugar, meaning it causes a slower, more controlled rise in blood sugar levels. Because honey is sweeter than sugar, you can use less of it in your recipes while still achieving the desired level of sweetness. It is perfect for drizzling over oatmeal, mixing into tea, or using as a sugar replacement in baked goods. 3. Maple syrup, a delicious, nutrient-rich alternative. Maple syrup is another natural sweetener that comes from the sap of sugar maple trees. It is often considered a healthier option than refined sugar due to its higher nutrient content and lower glycemic index. Maple syrup is not only sweet but also has a unique, rich flavor that can enhance both sweet and savory dishes. Health benefits. 1. High in antioxidants. Maple syrup contains antioxidants that can help protect cells from damage caused by free radicals, which may contribute to aging and the development of chronic diseases. 2. Vitamins and minerals. Maple syrup is a good source of essential minerals such as manganese, zinc, and calcium. 2. Manganese, for example, is vital for bone health and energy production. 3. Lower glycemic index. Similar to honey, maple syrup has a lower glycemic index compared to refined sugar, which means it has a less significant impact on blood sugar levels. 4. Anti-inflammatory. The polyphenols in maple syrup may help reduce inflammation in the body, which is linked to a wide range of health issues, including heart disease and arthritis. When substituting maple syrup for sugar in recipes, it's important to remember that it has a more distinct flavor, so it may not work well in all dishes. However, it's ideal for sweetening pancakes, waffles, baked goods, and even roasted vegetables. 4. Coconut sugar, a low glycemic sweetener. Coconut sugar, also known as coconut palm sugar, is derived from the sap of the flower buds of the coconut tree. It has become increasingly popular in recent years due to its lower glycemic index and nutrient profile compared to regular sugar. Unlike refined sugar, coconut sugar retains some of the nutrients found in the coconut tree, including iron, zinc, calcium, and potassium. Health benefits. 1. Lower glycemic index. Coconut sugar has a glycemic index of around 35, which is much lower than that of regular sugar, ghee, of around 60. 1. This means it causes a slower, more gradual rise in blood sugar, making it a better option for people with diabetes or those aiming to manage blood glucose levels. 2. Contains inulin. Inulin is a type of prebiotic fiber that can help improve gut health by feeding beneficial bacteria in the digestive system. 2. It also has a minimal effect on blood sugar levels. 3. Mineral content. Coconut sugar is a good source of several minerals, such as iron, zinc, and calcium, which are essential for various bodily functions, including immune support, bone health, and muscle function. 4. Sustainable production. Coconut sugar is considered more environmentally friendly than other sweeteners since coconut trees require less water to produce and the sap can be harvested without damaging the tree. Coconut sugar has a mild caramel flavor that works well in baking, coffee, or as a topping for oatmeal and yogurt. While it still contains calories and carbohydrates, it's a healthier option compared to refined sugar. 5. Dates, a naturally sweet and nutritious fruit. Dates are the fruit of the date palm tree and have been used for centuries as a natural sweetener in Middle Eastern cuisine. They are incredibly sweet and dense, meaning a small amount can go a long way in providing a rich, caramel-like sweetness. Dates are also packed with nutrients, including fiber, vitamins, and minerals. Health benefits. 1. High in fiber. Dates are an excellent source of dietary fiber, which can aid in digestion, prevent constipation, and promote a healthy gut. 1. Fiber also helps stabilize blood sugar levels and manage cholesterol. 2. Rich in nutrients. Dates are loaded with essential minerals such as potassium, magnesium, and copper, which support heart health, bone health, and overall well-being. 2. They also contain a variety of antioxidants that can help combat oxidative stress. 3. Natural energy boost. Due to their high sugar content, primarily natural sugars like glucose, fructose, and sucrose, dates are an excellent natural energy source. 3. They are often used as a quick pick-me-up during physical activity or as an alternative to sugary snacks. 4. Support for bone health. Dates contain minerals like calcium, phosphorus, and magnesium, which play an important role in maintaining strong bones and preventing bone-related issues like osteoporosis. Dates can be used in smoothies, energy bars, desserts, or even as a sweet addition to savory dishes like salads. They are often blended into a paste and used as a direct substitute for sugar in recipes. Conclusion. As more people recognize the detrimental effects of excess sugar on health, it's clear that seeking out healthier alternatives is a wise choice. The 5 sugar substitutes discussed, stevia, honey, maple syrup, coconut sugar, and dates, are not only delicious but also come with a host of health benefits that can help improve overall well-being. Whether you are trying to manage your blood sugar levels, reduce your caloric intake, or simply make a more natural choice, these alternatives provide a variety of options to suit different tastes and dietary preferences. While it's important to remember that these alternatives should still be used in moderation, incorporating them into your diet can be a step toward healthier eating habits and improved long-term health. By choosing natural, nutrient-dense sweeteners over refined sugar, you can enjoy the sweetness you crave while promoting a healthier body and mind.